In this video, we compare DJI Mini 2 SE and DJI Mini 3 drone. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The DJI Mini 2 SE is a lightweight and portable drone, making it ideal for travel and outdoor activities, as it weighs less than 249 grams. With the DJI Mini 2 SE, there is no need for FAA registration or remote ID for recreational purposes, thanks to its weight being under 249 grams. The drone offers an extended flight time of up to 31 minutes, and with the additional intelligent flight batteries, you can achieve a total flight time of 93 minutes. The DJI Fly app, which comes with the drone, provides easy-to-use shooting templates for creating professional-level videos that can be shared directly on social media. The DJI Mini 2 SE has an advanced transmission range of up to 10 kilometers, offering enhanced transmission and stronger anti-interference compatibilities compared to Wi-Fi. The drone is beginner-friendly with simplified operations and a return-to-home function for added safety, making it easy to learn and master quickly. The DJI Mini 3 drone is incredibly lightweight and compact, making it the perfect travel companion for adventures varying from hikes to beach days. With the use of the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, the drone can extend its flight time up to 51 minutes, providing ample time to capture your desired shots. The DJI Mini 3 drone delivers stunning 4K HDR video, ensuring crystal clear aerial shots both during the day and at night. The drone features true vertical shooting, allowing for effortless capture of tall landmarks and providing the perfect orientation for social media sharing. The DJI Mini 3 drone offers creative features such as QuickShots and Panorama, allowing for dynamic flight patterns and capturing stunning views. The drone includes the new DJI RC, which has the DJI Fly app pre-installed and a built-in 5.5-inch HD display for clear viewing even in direct sunlight. The DJI Mini 2 SE and the DJI Mini 3 drone are both excellent choices for drone enthusiasts, each with its own unique features. The DJI Mini 2 SE is noted for its lightweight, making it easy to transport and ideal for travel and outdoor activities. It has an extended flight time of up to 31 minutes, which can be further increased to 93 minutes with additional intelligent flight batteries. It also offers a 10 kilometers advanced transmission range and is beginner-friendly, with simplified operations and a return-to-home function for added safety. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 3 drone, while still lightweight, provides a longer flight time of up to 51 minutes with the use of the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus. It offers 4K HDR video for clear aerial shots and features true vertical shooting for capturing tall landmarks. Additionally, it includes creative features such as QuickShots and Panorama for dynamic flight patterns. The DJI Mini 3 drone comes with the new DJI RC with a built-in 5.5-inch HD display, allowing for clear viewing even in direct sunlight. In conclusion, both drones are packed with features that can cater to different user preferences and needs.